Viewers, this is our Nigerian fufu powder. Okay, this is the dry Nigerian fufu. You see the way I dry it. This is, we use sun to dry it. Hello guys, thank you for joining us. So today I'm going to show you how we prepare our Nigerian fufu powder. Okay, so as you see, they are peeling the back of the cassava. So this is white cassava. We are using white cassava to prepare it. So viewers, we are putting the cassava inside this water so that we want to allow it to soft. We are going to leave it for 3 days. So the top, they will cover it.
Ó ní ìdòwú mọ́.
Ó ti dà. Àbí díẹ̀ ń bomi díẹ̀ sí. So we are going to leave it for 3 days like this. Thank you for watching. So viewers, this is our Nigerian fufu. So it has soft like this. You see as it's soft. So we are going to put it inside this abo. This tray. You see as it clean. So viewers, as you see, we are saving the cassava because of the shaft of it. So this is the rope for the cassava.
Ó sọ lẹ́yìn náà hàn.
You see the shaft. This is the shaft. Okay, one more minute. You see as it's soft, we soak it for 3 days. 3 days so. So viewers, we have sieved the cassava, so it's inside this rubber. So we are going to allow it to settle down. We are going to allow it to settle down. You see, no shafts, smooth. So that is the shaft of the cassava there. This is the shaft. This one is no more needed. It's shaft. Thank you so much for watching. So viewers, this is our Nigerian fufu. So after we remove the water out of the rubber and put the fufu inside this sack, so this is our draining system. Okay, so we have different way of draining water from cassava. So this is the one we use. This is strong stone. You see, no more water. We leave it like this. This is 24 hours draining. You see. Thank you so much. So now we want to remove the stone and start drying it. Thank you. This is nice. See as it clean. This is our Nigerian fufu. You see. You see as it dry. So now I want to put it for this table. The sun is coming out gradually. You see. So I will get more tray for this. So viewers, this is our Nigerian fufu powder. Okay, this is the dried Nigerian fufu. You see the way I dry it. This is, we use salt to dry it. You see. So watch how to prepare it. It's on my YouTube channel. How to prepare this fufu. This is our Nigerian fufu. So you see. It has dried. Mamba. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with those friends and family. This is our Nigerian fufu powder. Okay, so watch how to prepare it. It's on my YouTube channel. It's very good. So if you have interest, contact our WhatsApp number. So so much for watching. Bye bye. Baálẹ̀ máa rò bí orí.